had partnerships with St. Joe's for many, many years, probably 10 or 15 that I can recall right off the top of my head. And I think I'd like to start by talking about their food insecurity work. I think that's near and dear to their heart. I think it is part of their mission. It's in their soul, I think. They worked with us, so we have a lot of programs focused on nutrition at the health department. And one of our grants was to help improve the food that hospitals provided for not only their patients, but also their visitors. And St. Joe's was one of the organizations that latched onto that quickly, and they dove right in, and they were an essential partner for us. So they reduced the salt content in some of the foods for their patients, and then they also improved the experience for people who visit and eat in the cafeteria and made the cafeteria much more inviting and also nutritious place. And I can say that my sister's father-in-law is an elderly man, and he goes to St. Joe's cafeteria to eat dinner on occasion, and he meets his friends there. So it's a social place as well. He really noticed the change, and I think he's healthier for it, not only because of the nutritious food, but because it provides him company and people to eat dinner with, which is so powerful.
We have a lot of people in the community who come to eat in our cafeteria, and partly because I think it's a reasonable price. Partly, I think it's also because our staff in the cafeteria have adopted these people as their family. And on the evening shift, I'm amazed at the number of people who come in from the community, and the cafeteria people know them. And, probably if they weren't coming into our cafeteria, they would not be getting healthy meals or eating as they should.
So I think food insecurity and hospital doesn't initially seem to go together, but we know that there's a thing called the social determinants of health, and some of that is the very basic things that people need to live healthy, happy lives, and food's just a basic thing. We know gathering around food is a social need for people, and we know that nutritious food can sometimes make all the difference from healing. So if you have a surgery or something in particular like that, or you're just having a stressful time, good, healthy, nutritious food is good for your body, for your soul.